2018 and smartphones are getting thinner and thinner. So it's quite difficult for a person like me who has all his personal/productive work on his smartphone. Again, considering the fact I script, voiceover, edit and upload all my videos using my smartphone. Yes, I do. In fact, this video that you're watching right now has been scripted, voiceovered, edited and uploaded using my Lenovo Z2plus. So yeah, all this drains a lot of battery. So to tackle that, I was searching for a power bank which could help me top off quickly and should not break my bank. Then my eyes strike on this power bank, the 10,000 mAh Mi Powerbank 2i, and I don't regret my purchase. But is that all you need to know, or is there something more than meets the eye? Well, let's find out. But before we do, my name is Jonathan, this is TechTeachers and this is my full review of the 10,000 mAh Mi Powerbank 2i. Let's get started. Subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from the channel. Before we start the video, I would like to thank our sponsors for today, foodcast.in, your one-stop destination for all your food and organic needs. So, if you are a foodie and live in Hyderabad, then I would highly recommend you to check their website. Not because they have sponsored today's video, but because they are offering great deals for this new year. Check description for more information. After a bucket load of promotion, let's get back to the unboxing. So, this is the packing that holds the Mi Powerbank. So, opening it up, we have the box which gives us some basic info about the power bank, and it says that this power bank can charge an iPhone 7 which has a 1960 mAh battery fully 3.5 times and a Mi A1 which has 3080 mAh battery 2.2 times fully. So that's great, and we'll get to the other technical stuff later in the video. But if you end up ordering this power bank, then don't forget to scratch this and get the security code and verify this power bank at the website mentioned here. I'll also be mentioning the link to it in the description box below, so you can be rest assured that you're getting the real deal instead of some fake Mi Powerbank which are flying around the market. And I guess I have bragged a lot, so let's open the box, and here we find the Mi Powerbank itself. And it was actually inside a cover when I unboxed it for the first time, but I've lost it now, so that's the thing. And apart from that, we also have this tiny micro USB cable inside the box, so that's the thing. Now let's actually get back to the power bank, and if you're feeling that this video is gonna be a long one and you're feeling short in time and you need a one-line answer from me, then you can stop the video right now, head on to the links below and buy them. That's how much I love them. But if we want to dig deep, then let's talk build and design, and boy, it feels premium. The all-metal construction is just gorgeous, and it gives you that satisfactory or premium feel when you hold it. And it's actually tall, up to the point where it's taller than my 5-inch Lenovo Z2plus. But it's not that wide though, and again, I will take it any day over that cheap plastically built power banks. And here on top we have the power button, which ironically doesn't make much of a difference as the power bank is smart enough to shut itself after a period of time not being connected, and it automatically switches on when it detects a phone being connected, so that's great. And here we have 4 LED light indicators which each displaying 25% of charge left. And we have this micro USB input to charge this power bank, which supports an input of 5V 2A and 9V 2A, which is great, and it's especially handy when you don't have the time to plug it all night. And speaking about plugging all night, this power bank also has a 2 USB-A output, out of which when connected only one device can charge it quick. How quick, you ask? The answer is Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, which was one of the only reasons why I inclined towards the power bank, as I earlier wanted to buy a quick charge adapter as my Lenovo Z2plus supports QC 3.0, but Lenovo has only bundled QC 2.0 adapter out of the box. So when I searched for Qualcomm certified QC 3.0 adapters, they ranged anywhere between 1500 to 3000 INR or even higher, minus that newly announced Mi QC 3.0 powered adapter. So spending that much amount on an adapter made me think, but luckily this one supports that for just 899 INR. Also, it can be used as a power bank, which it was intended to use, so this felt like a steal for the price. As in my time with this power bank, it comfortably charged my Z2plus twice, considering it has 3000 mAh battery, and that too fast. And if I were to give you the numbers, then it could charge my phone from 0 to 100 in anywhere between 90 to 100 minutes. And during the process, it doesn't heat itself, nor does it heat the device connected. So you can have the peace of mind, which is actually great considering the fact that traditionally power banks used to charge slow and exhibited heat. But this power bank shows we have come a long way. Also the fact that it could charge 2 devices at a time, okay, not as fast as Quick Charge 3.0, for that matter, it could charge at a speed of 5V 2A, but it was a bonus, so I have no complaint. And speaking about bonus, this power bank also supports pass-through charging, which means you can connect both of your devices or smartphones to this power bank and charge the power bank overnight, and in the morning you'll find all the 3 devices fully charged, which is great. Also, once you have fully charged this power bank, it has a standby time of about 15 days, which is again great. And up until now everything sounds great, but yes, you can call me nitpicking, but considering the fact that this, or for that matter most power banks, have their cell capacity of 3.7 watts and our smartphones come with a battery that has a cell capacity of 5 watts, there needs to be this conversion taking place, which means despite the fact that this power bank has a 10,000 mAh capacity, it is in reality equivalent to roughly around 7,000 mAh battery. So that's something to keep in mind. But apart from the fact, I see no reason why you should not get this power bank. Or if 7,000 mAh is not enough for you, then you can always go for its bigger brother, which has 20,000 mAh capacity and has all the features of this power bank, minus that it has a high quality plastic build to reduce weight. Everything else is same and better. So you can go for that at a price of 1499 INR or $25. But if 10,000 mAh is more than enough for you, then you can always go for this power bank at just a price of 899 INR or $15. But for now, you can buy this only from mi.com, for which the links will be mentioned in the description box for your convenience, along with all my social media handles, so you can follow me there and you'll be pleasantly surprised. So that pretty much winds up the video. Hopefully enjoy the content. If you did and feel like the one who's privileged to have an awesome supporting audience like you feeling, make sure to crack that like button. But if you thought this video sucked, you better know what to do. But if you loved it and want to see more such awesome videos dropping at least twice a week, then it's no better time than hit the subscribe button. And again, links to buy this power bank will be in the description section below. And yeah, do this to make sure you get notified whenever we upload a new video. And then, this has been your host Jonathan from TechTeachers, reminding you to check out my previous video, for which the links can be found somewhere on the screen or in the description section below. And then, thanks for watching.